Hi again everyone, welcome to another video. I am Oy'Nissh Grandiece and today's video is focused on making food products out of the Oy'Nissh condiments I made the other day. So over a period of 2 weeks I've been doing various bramble trails, vegetable trail, to get various products, which I turned into Oy'Nissh condiments. Oy'Nish, which are Oy'Nissh sauces, and Oynifiers, which are Oy'Nissh marinades. Now I'm going to use these 8 condiments to make Oy'Nissh products. The focus today is on chicken. I'll be making Oy'Nissh chicken products, mainly chicken breast and chicken leg quarters. So I'll be using the 8 condiments to make different types of Oy'Nissh chicken. So hi again everyone. So I'll be getting ready to marinate the different products. Now I'll show you a variety of things that I'm open to marinate. Now remember, as I've said in few videos, that there are a lot of new terms that will be coming to play. At this stage I'm planning to go through the process of marination, but it's not the same as in jerk, because in Oy'Nissh, when working with marinades, in Oy'Nissh the word for marinade is Oynifier, and Oynifier, Oynafy. So when I'm talking about using an Oy'Nissh marinade on products, I'm Oynifying products. However, if I use a sauce to do the marinating, a sauce in Oy'Nissh is an Oynator. Thus, when working with the sauce to marinate stuff, I oynate. And these are 2 new verbs that, well, it's not in English language. These are 2 new millennial Jamaican verbs, English verbs, that evolve from Oy'Nissh words. So oynate is when you use Oy'Nissh sauce to marinate something, and Oynify is when you use Oy'Nissh marinade to Oynify, to marinate stuff. Meat, poultry. I've got chicken, 2 chicken, whole chicken that I'm going to cut up and Oynified overall. Some with sauce, some with marinade. I also have strong white flour that also will be Oynified. Now this is where you can see that there's no way jerk and Oy'Nissh is the same, because in Oy'Nissh even flour can be Oynified. There cannot be jerk flour. But in the world of Oy'Nissh, all categories of food can be Oynified, from starters, main meals, and dessert, because it's not so much about this. Although each ingredient is important, it's more about the classification system that Oy'Nissh excels, because it puts things into class not only by marinades and sauce, but by texture, by level of chili, and a lot more detailed stuff that I'll be going through in future videos. But I want to show you some of the stuff that will be Oynified, and then in another day or 2 you'll get to see the end result, because they'll need at least a day to absorb the flavor of the 8 condiments that I made. And remember, the 8 condiments I showed you earlier on. I'll give you a look. Here they are. These are all the marinades, or Oynifiers. We've got the pepper, beetroot, baby spinach, leek, Oynifier, or Oy'Nissh marinade. Now when it comes to the Oy'Nissh sauce or Oy'Nish, we've got blackberry, mulberry, elderberry, apple. And these are going to oynate, the sauces are going to oynate, and the marinades are going to oynified. Now, I've started organizing my kitchen. So I've got my marinades and sauces there. I got my laptop here to jot down notes, because you know you have to keep yourself up to date as to what you're doing. I also have the containers ready to put this stuff in. This is important because when you start to work with a lot of raw stuff, you need to have as much organized as possible so you don't have to be touching everything all over the place. As you can see, everything is all organized. Moreover, I color-coded, labeled this stuff. Chances are you can also buy stickers, but I don't have any at the moment. So the red label represents the poultry or red meat. Well, it's poultry, not red meat, but the redness represents the meat itself. And I've got green, which is the vegetable, blue, fish, and black. There was no yellow because I'd have used yellow for fruit, but the black is for the fruit. So I'll know definitely by just picking up by the color what goes where. So that's organized. My containers are organized. My notepad is organized. Don't worry, I'm not going to show you my secret recipes. But when I need to set up stuff, I'll be going on my laptop to jot down notes. My sauces are ready. And I've got my products. So I've cut up the 2 kilograms of chicken. I had 2 whole chicken and I cut them up. I've got 4 leg quarters, 4 pieces of chicken breast, 4 wings, 2 chicken back, 2 chicken neck, and 2 bones that I got from the fillet of breast. Now, I'll be oinifying all of it. In terms of the bones, here, I'll be using them, I'm going to oinify them, but I'm going to smoke them and use them to make Oy'Nissh soup. So the soup will have that rich, smoky taste, but well seasoned. And this is done instead of seasoned salt, sodium monoglutamate, food enhancer. I just felt that at this stage I shouldn't be even having it near to where I'm cooking. So I haven't used it for a while. So I've created a way to make my soup taste really nice. Take into consideration I'm moving towards veganism, but I'm working my way towards it by learning how to eat a lot more fruit and veg, because that's essential part of the diet in terms of helping me to change with the taste and so forth. But in terms of chicken, like chicken soup and so forth, I'll be using the bones to make stock, or even if it's a chicken stew. But the bones will be oinified, then smoked, then used to make the chicken stock. It could be that I use it to make chicken pie, an Oy'Nissh chicken pie. So I'm reserving these bones to be oinified, but first I'll do these ones and then the bones.